Last year for Father's Day, we took a spare bedroom in our home and turned it into the ultimate chill lounge slash man cave for my husband. He enjoys this room so much. He's in it every single day. In fact, both of us are. And many of you are asking about some of the updates that we've made on the room since the original project was completed. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of what we've done since the last time you saw this room. Thanks for stopping by Lifestyle with Melonie Graves, where I share stylish and creative ideas to help you do what makes you happy in your home. Last year for Father's Day, we presented the young Mr. Benjamin Buttons with the ultimate chill lounge. We took a spare bedroom and I redid everything from floor to ceiling, including giving him a new dry bar. It has been one of the most popular videos viewed on my channel over the past year. You guys really enjoyed watching the process. So if you haven't seen it, please go check it out when you're done watching this video. One of the most asked questions I have received on the original video is whether or not we added the French door. The answer is yes. Not only did we add a French door, we also added some additional seating. I came across the perfect sized barrel chairs and Home Goods. Not only do they swivel, which makes them easy to maneuver around in the small space, but they're also a great color to complement the other colors of the room. Another question I get asked quite often is how his bourbon collection is coming along. I'd say it's coming along quite nicely. I was only familiar with a couple of bourbons when we did the room for him, but he has had the opportunity to try lots of different bourbon brands, and he's come to find a few new favorites. In fact, drop a comment if you'd like to see him do a video review of some of his favorites. I'm sure he would love to host one of those for you. Or maybe we can do a tasting together. That might be fun too. Hope you enjoyed the tour of all the updates, and I'll see you again. Until next time, love and peace.